Hey guys, this is KD and welcome to getutilized.com. In this video, I'll be showing you how to assemble the basic chassis which I received from Vega Robokit. This one is yellow in color and this thing is pretty strong. As you can see, I can't bend an inch of it. So there are basically four components. These are the brackets to the motor. This you shall be holding this underneath the main frame like this and just fastening it with the help of nuts and bolts. So one on the right, the, the other one on the left, and this thing is the front support for the caster wheel which shall be going in the front area. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 nut bolts. Very easy thing. So I'll just begin to fasten. You'll be only needing a plier and a screwdriver. Done with both sides. Now I'll be going to the front. So there are two ways you can connect this front support. One goes in this way and the other is other way around. Now they have also provided three holes over here, so if you want to add some sensors to your bot, this place is the perfect place. Okay, so this is what your basic chassis looks like without your wheels. So I'll just fasten, tighten these things, and I'll just show you how to connect your motors and your caster wheel to these things. So here we go. I have tightened this thing. You can't bend any any bracket or any inch out of this chassis. Very strong one. So now I'll be showing you how to connect the motors and the caster wheel. So here we go. Here we have a small caster wheel over here, which I shall be putting here through this cavity and try to match any two holes. See here, this one and this one is perfectly matching. So I'll be just inserting a nut, sorry, a bolt. If this bolt is not going, you can take a screwdriver and just screw it inside. Yes. And just like another way. As simple as that. So now coming to the motors, the main advantage of this chassis is that it supports both of this kind of motors. This is the geared motor from Vega Robokit and this is the BO2 motor from Vega Robokit. So see, there is a hole over here, and I just remove this nut, insert over here, and tighten it as easy as this. So the next thing you have to do is just connect a tire of reasonable radius, which shall be matching the caster wheel. And I can also connect a BO2 motor, and you need some long bolts like this. So I'll just tighten this thing and get back to you. So as you can see, I've done with connecting the motors. Now I'll be using these tires, so this chassis will level up. So as you can see, these tires have a notch over here, so those is motors. I'll be just fitting this thing inside the notch, this, and the other tire shall go like this. So I'll be just using some tiny screws. So here we go, we have done with your bot. Now there are a lot of things you can do with this bot. You can make a wired bot, a wireless bot, a Bluetooth controlled bot. So this chassis here is pretty strong, and you can use other sorts of motors too, as I said earlier. So I like this chassis which Vega Robokit manufactures and sells. So thank you for watching.